You believe lightning never strikes the same spot twice? False. Newsflash, lightning loves hitting the same tall structures over and over. It's like its favorite target practice. The Empire State Building? Zapped hundreds of times annually? It's a literal lightning magnet. Science, folks, science! It's not bad luck, it's physics. Lightning seeks the easiest path to ground, often the tallest, most conductive objects. So next time you hear that myth, just remember, tall buildings are basically lightning's favorite snack. Zap. Might want to avoid those skyscrapers during a storm, just saying.
Evening commute. I told you to expect fireworks.